Hello everyone, welcome to Foodician. I am Sophie, a dietitian from LifeCare. Foodician is a show where I'll be sharing different healthy and nutritious recipes with you. So today we'll be making salsa. Salsa means sauce in Spanish, but it's actually originated from Mexico. It's rich in vitamin E, vitamin B, and antioxidant, which is gonna help prevent cell damage. So these are the ingredients that we need today. You need half an onion, 3 tomatoes, half a cup of cilantro, 1 lime, pepper, salt, and oregano seasoned to taste. So now we have everything ready, let's get into it. First, you need to chop up your tomatoes. So you know, I really like tomatoes because it's refreshing to eat as it is, and you can make it with different things like make it into bolognese pasta or even salsa like today. So next up, we'll be chopping up your onions. You know, my first time trying salsa was back in the States in Chipotle, and when I first tried it, it was like, ooh, so good. Salsa, it's gonna help to fight free radicals, which is gonna help to prevent cell damage. Alright, let's chop it up a little bit. And there you have your onions. Put it away. Next up, we're moving on to the cilantro. So now all this is nicely chopped up. Just put it in a bowl, ready for use. And then we'll move on to squeezing your lime. Alright, now we have everything ready, so let's get into mixing it. First, you'll need your tomatoes. Alright, just put it all in. Next up, your onions. Moving on to half a cup of your cilantro. Then you'll need some pepper, some salt, and some oregano, and also your lime. Alright, just squeeze it all in. And now just get your spatula and start mixing it. Okay, so you know there's actually 6 different varieties of salsa. Today we're just making the mild tomato salsa. There's like green salsa, hot salsa. I bet you never tried it all yet because honestly I have not tried all of them yet. Alright, looks like it's well mixed. So now we're just gonna scoop it out and we're ready to have some salsa. Alright, that's how you make a salsa, quick and easy bite. So if you want to go for something healthy, this is what you can go for. So thanks for tuning in today. We'll see you next time.